Good morning, Saugus. I'm Marie Morcos, and today is Friday, September 16th.
And I'm Kenzy Mostafa. This is SNN.
Today is the 20th day of block schedule.
For today's fact of the day, we thought we'd tell you about the origin of the term ghosted.
Ghosting is a slang term originating in the early 2000s where someone ends all contact or communication abruptly with no explanation. Typically, ghosting someone refers to dating or romantic settings.
Marie, do you know if there's any other context where someone could ghost you?
I'm trying to think. Maybe last year? Like, something's coming to mind, like around football season, maybe? I don't know. Please stand for the flag salute.
Please stand. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may now be seated.
The out-of-state college fair will be today. The 12 colleges represented will be Southern Utah University, Rutgers University, the University of Massachusetts Lowell, Iowa State, Temple University, University of, oh my God. Sean, how do I pronounce that? Dubuque, thank you. University of Utah, High Point University, Northern Arizona University, Massachusetts College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences, and Columbia College, Chicago. Juniors, on October 12th, Saugus will be offering the PSAT. The test provides practice for the SAT and is the qualifying exam for the National Merit Scholarship Program. If you're interested in taking the PSAT, you can register and pay through the ASB web store. Registration closes on October 6th, or when tests sell out. If you have any questions, see your counselor.
Now let's go to Matt Hollenbaugh with today's Saugus Sports Update.
Thanks, Kenzy. Good morning, Saugus. I'm Matt Hollenbaugh with today's Saugus Sports Update. Today, football plays against Valencia at Valencia. The theme is Get Ghosted. JV plays at 4 and varsity plays at 7. Today and tomorrow, girls volleyball participates in the JV tourney at Valencia. The games start at 3 and 8. Also tomorrow, girls tennis competes in the first serve tournament at West Torrance High. Varsity starts at 10. Good luck to all of our Centurion athletes, and I believe.
Thanks, Matt. Really appreciate it. Hey, I know there's been some concern about me leading up in today. Apologize for not being here tomorrow or yesterday, but just had some things had to work out. And man, I'm telling you, it's really hot in here. I don't understand. But man, you guys really got to work on getting an AC in here, guys. Today, ghosted. It's pretty funny that's the term of the day. Ghosted. It's kind of what happened last year. We were supposed to play Valencia High School last year, game 10, and they ghosted us because they were sick. But yet Monday, they were able to practice and then move on and play in the playoffs. Kind of funny. Hopefully nothing like that happens today. Hopefully they'll show up because I know we will. Saugus, we need you there. We need you there in full regalia. We need everybody in their ghosted out gear because tonight we're getting after it. Tonight it's all about the Saugus High School community. Show up. Be loud, be proud, be obnoxious, get after it, and let them know that we run this town. Saugus High School. I'm out.
Amen, Coach Bourne. That's all for me. Now let's go to Mikhail Tizo with the next segment in our series, Cooking with Eggs.
Good morning, Saugus. I'm Mikhail Tizai, cooking with SNN. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make mini strata egg muffins.
For this recipe, you will need 1 cup egg whites, 1 egg, 2 slices of whole wheat bread that are toasted, 6 slices of Canadian bacon that are chopped, sun-dried tomatoes, sliced into 24 pieces, 4 ounces of low-fat feta cheese that are crumbled, fresh basil, 1/2 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, cooking spray, and a mini muffin tin. Before we start cooking, remember it's important to wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. Now, let's begin. Start off by preheating your oven to 350 degrees. Grab 2 toasted slices of bread. For this recipe, I'll be using honey wheat and cut them up into crouton-shaped cubes. In a medium-sized bowl, mix your egg whites, egg, Italian seasoning, salt, and feta cheese together. Take your mini muffin tin and spray it with cooking spray. Place a cube of bread, a single sun-dried tomato, and even pieces of Canadian bacon in each cup. Top it off with a slice of basil before adding in your egg mixture. Place them in the oven and bake for 8 to 10 minutes. And there you have it, some delicious mini strata egg white muffins.
If you want to try out this recipe at home, be sure to check out our YouTube channel, where we upload all of our daily shows. This has been Kyle Tizai, cooking for SNN.
First of all,
Amen, Coach Bourne.
Second of all, Mikhail, those eggs look excellent.
The October grading period has not begun. The end of the first quarter is October 7th. You'll need to change this in your school calendar. Sign-ups are in the counseling office for the opportunity to take one of 2 COC spring dual enrollment classes here at Saugus. Media Entertainment Arts 102 and Counseling 110 will be offered on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 2:50 to 3:40. If you're interested, sign up right away to secure your spot. All sophomores can take Counseling 110, and sophomores that have already taken Counseling 110 and all upperclassmen can take MEA 102.
That's all for today. I'm Marie Morcos. Stay tuned for SNN Radio and Saugus Today. You can also visit the new SNN website from the link listed below.
And I'm Kenzy Mostafa. Have a great day, a great Valencia game, and a great weekend, and we'll see you next week.